Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very excited to have every single one of you here. Today I'm here to share with you a quick Walmart grocery haul. I needed to get a few things to complete my meal plan for the next 2 weeks, so that's what you're gonna see. Now bear in mind, I did get a lot of stuff that I needed for recipes at Costco, which you guys should have already seen that haul. I can't imagine why I would post this one first. I will link that video up in the corner just in case you missed it, because with the small amount of stuff I'm going to show you today, there's no way I can feed a family of 5 for 2 weeks. So yeah. But anyways, real quick before we get started, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content, encourages them to promote my videos so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, guys, I would love to have you. All you have to do is click on that little picture of me down in the corner and we will be instant YouTube family. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I've got some Hormel turkey pepperoni. You can have 20 of these bad boys for just 2 points. I will be using this for a pizza recipe, however, so not a whole lot of snacking going on my side. Then, keeping in trend with the turkey, I needed some more Jimmy Dean's turkey sausage. I love these. These are perfect for a breakfast staple. You can have 2, peekaboo, sorry. I laugh way too hard at myself. You can have 2 for 4 points or 3 for 6 points. I needed to restock on some yogurt, but let me just talk about the yogurt for just a second. I did grocery pickup this time. Normally I go into the store and get my groceries, but I was just trying to save time. And I noticed, and maybe you guys have this problem too, but when I buy stuff online, I tend to buy a lot more than I need. I mean, I usually do about 4 things of yogurt a week, but this time I bought 6 things, and I think it's because I couldn't visually see how many I had, and I was like, oh, I love that flavor, let me get 2. Oh, I love that one too, let me get 2. So I ended up with 7, but that's okay. They'll definitely get eaten. Like I said, this is 2 weeks, so it's not an overabundance, but I just don't want it to go bad. But whatever. So this is the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. This is the creme brulee flavor. This is 2 points. I got 2 of those. Then I got 2 of the tiramisu flavor. This is my favorite one. Creme brulee comes in second. I got 1 of the banana cream pie. Let me see where I need to hold that so you can see it. There you go. Banana cream pie. That's another tiramisu. I've got a strawberry cheesecake. And I do love these flavors. It's just the creme brulee and the tiramisu I can't get enough of. So I suppose maybe I did need 2. And then this is the caramel apple pie. All of those are 2 points. I needed some more coffee. This is just the Great Value K-Cups. I love these because they're a fantastic price. I think it's $3.98 or $4.98 for 12, which really is not too bad. So this is the caramel cream flavor. And then I got creamy hazelnut also. I needed some pasta for a collaboration I'm doing later this month. So I've got the Banza rotini made from chickpeas. I've never cooked with this before, but it is 4 points for 2 ounces of the dry pasta. So I'm kind of excited to give that a try. How does that compare to the other pasta? Let me know down below, guys, what kind of pasta you guys eat and how that compares point-wise. I'm kind of curious. I needed some light sour cream, 2 tablespoons for 2 points. Needed some light butter. This is a Country Crock Light. It is 1 tablespoon for 1 point or 2 tablespoons for 3 points. Got some sugar-free instant vanilla pudding. I'm using this for a creamy recipe. I got a Ninja Creamy for Christmas, and there's a birthday cake recipe that I want to make. So that's for this. And then to go along with that, where'd it go? I hid it with my vegetables. I needed some sprinkles. I can't wait to make it. It's blue birthday cake flavored ice cream. And it's going to be healthy because I get to pick what ingredients I put into it. So yeah, awesome. Needed some enchilada sauce. Can you guess what I'm making with that? Then I needed some rotel with green chilies. I believe that's for the same recipe. Sticking with that recipe theme, I got the kids some flour tortillas. These are 1 for 5 points. And then I got myself some of the Ole Wellness Extreme tortillas. And these are 1 for 1 point. And I will be using all of that for enchiladas along with the Mexican Velveeta shreds. And this is 1/4 cup for 2 points. And then I needed 2 of the cheddar flavored Velveeta shreds. And this is 1/4 cup for 2 points as well. Needed a red onion, and this is just for meal prep. I needed 1 jalapeno. Somehow though, where is it? I ended up with 4. So I will be finding something to do with the extra jalapenos. I don't even know how that happened. Maybe the one that I clicked on was just a bunch of 4. I couldn't tell you. Now that being said, I got 3 more jalapenos than I meant to. And then I needed 4 cans of the cream of mushroom soup. This is the lower fat or 97% fat free. I needed 4, I got 3. That makes me want to go back and check my receipt and see if it was their mistake or mine. It is me, so there's a good chance that it was my mistake. But it's 1 can of soup, not the end of the world. I'm sure I'm going to need toilet paper or something later on in the week, and so I'll just get some cream of mushroom soup then. I needed some, ooh, that's a sad one. I needed some green onions or some scallions, so I got a bunch of those. I needed some Kalamata olives. I need this for a fish recipe that I'm making later this week. I've got some frozen chopped onions. Guys, I love these. They're so inexpensive and they're so convenient. Sometimes I just don't feel like chopping up onions. So I got 1, 2, 3 bags of these. And on the days where I don't feel like chopping up onions, I can just grab a bag out of the freezer. Then I am doing a chicken pot pie crock pot recipe. I got 3 bags of mixed vegetables for that. For the pizza recipe I'm doing later on this week, I needed some self-rising flour. I might not need this though. I might just go buy a couple cans of biscuits and sheet, because the night that I plan to do this recipe, we actually have to go to high school orientation for my youngest kid. And this is probably the 3rd time you've heard it. I don't know in what order I'm gonna post these videos, but I'm really not excited about my baby girl going to high school next year. Makes me sad. But anyways, let's carry on. I needed some vanilla protein shake for that birthday cake creamy ice cream I'm going to be making. So I got the Equate brand. I love the Equate protein shakes. I think they are wonderful. And they are 3 points a piece. And then last but not least, my one household product. I needed some more Downy, what are these? Scent beads. So I will leave the total for this grocery haul right here. I did not get a paper receipt because it was grocery pickup. And yeah, if you have any questions, if I missed any, oh, you know what? I found one more thing. I'm so sorry, guys. No sugar added Progresso. This is the last thing that I got, and this is also for my pizza recipe. I'm doing like a pull apart pizza thing. This is 1/2 cup for 1 point or 1 cup for 3 points. That is a fantastic point value. So anyways, guys, I'm really done this time. Sorry. Thank you for sticking with me. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing a whole thumbs up, leave a comment, a subscribe thing. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, keep smiling.